What's up, Diva fam, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Obviously you can tell by the title down below, we are getting into it. It is time for Ipsy Glam Bag. It is time for Ipsy Glam Bag X. Obviously this comes like 3-4 times a year, something like that. Every few months, where we kind of switch up our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus to Ipsy Glam Bag X since they've decided to start it. So I think this is like my third box that I've gotten in Ipsy Glam Bag X. So if you guys are interested in watching it, seeing what I've got, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Before we do that, you guys know the gist. If you like videos like this, don't give this video a big thumbs up. Remember to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget the notification bell down below so you miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D, and let's just go ahead and get into this. Alright, so we are getting into our Glam Bag X for this month. For those of you who don't know, Glam Bag X obviously comes like 3 to 4 times a year. Comes every 3 months, kind of on the opposite schedule of BOXY Charm Luxe, I believe. So they're kind of like one after another, but every other month. Or every like few months. Anyways, for those of you who don't know, obviously Ipsy is a makeup subscription box. It's just kind of just like BOXY Charm, but at the same time they both have the same type of things going on there, but some of them have better products than others. Anyways, Ipsy is, I believe this is like a $50 box when I upgrade from my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, or oh my god, can I speak today? Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. That's a lot to say, and like we want to say it like 5 times fast, and I could not do that. I'm gonna jumble over my words again like I just did. But anyways, these boxes are, which are the Glam Bag X boxes, are curated by some type of celebrity makeup artist or some type of celebrity or someone that's within the beauty community. So this month, obviously, we were able to get the box that was curated by Huda Beauty. There's only been 2 boxes, no, 3. This is my 4th box. Okay, now that I think about it, this is the 4th box. The first one was by Patrick Ta. The second one was by one of the Kardashians. The last one was by Halsey, and now this one is by Huda. So obviously we have this little pamphlet right here, which kind of tells us the price of it. Now I'm pretty sure the price of this box is supposed to exceed like $300 something, and my dog is like barking his head off in the background. I'm so sorry, but yeah, there's a lot of great products. I will tell you though, I'm really sad because I did not get to choose the items in this box. I actually forgot about it. I forgot, which is really dumb on my part, and I'm really mad at myself because all the items that I'm seeing in here that you could have gotten or that you could have chosen, yeah, I'm dumb. So yeah, there's a few things that I could have gotten that I was not able to get, but you know what? I like the element of surprise. So let's just go ahead and dive into this right away. So the first thing I see is this Celia clay mask. So I have plenty of masks. For those of you who don't know, actually I forgot to talk to you about this in the beginning. I unbox 3 subscription boxes a month. Obviously when I unbox my subscription boxes, I kind of go through this stuff. I talk to you about the items I have, and obviously if there's items that I don't like, at the very end of the month or somewhere there when I unbox my last box, I actually do a monthly giveaway. So if you want to be a part of that monthly giveaway, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like that video, whatever it is. But like the bare minimum, just obviously is subscribing to my YouTube channel and hitting that notification bell so you guys are aware when I'm actually posting these videos, so you don't miss the opportunity to enter it for sure. So here's the first item. I'm gonna go ahead and set that off to the side because I'm unsure about that. Oh, okay, that's a different color than the one I have. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up this one already. This is the PMD Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device. I actually already owned this. I got this actually in a BOXY Charm or an Ipsy like a while back. This one is more like a peachy toned color, and the other one actually is more of like a light pink shade. So I'm going to go ahead and put this into the giveaway, being one of the first items, at least from this video. There are already items from the last video that I did, so if you guys want to check out that video, don't forget to go ahead and just either link it up here or link it down below for you guys to kind of go ahead and check out. But I've already done one video already unboxing for this month. So yeah, that's going to be the very first item we're going to go ahead and put into the giveaway. Now everything else in here, I mean, This one's actually really good. Like, I'm excited. So obviously it is curated by Huda. So this is the item that it looks like they gave me, which is the Overachiever Concealer. It looks like it's in the shade Marshmallow 02B. So for that, it looks like this is what it comes in. I've never tried the concealer from Huda Beauty. I actually have the foundation, but it is the older formula, not the newer one. Now this does look very like brightening, so it should work out pretty well for me. We'll definitely have to give that a go in a future video where I'm just trying out new products to me. Typically in these videos, I don't always swatch everything or try it on, just because again, there's obviously the evidence of where I would possibly give it away to one of you. So I'm definitely going to go ahead and keep this item because I definitely know it's one of the shade, it could possibly my shade. So yes, definitely going to go ahead and keep that. Then I've got two other items in here that I'm so excited about that I was just like, thank you, thank you, thank you. Another item to add to my Rare Beauty collection. This is the With Gratitude Balm. So it just says it's in honor. I'm guessing it's just like a lip balm. So it's just a clear lip balm right there for us. It is full size, which is great. I do have one of like the smaller lip balms, which is right here, and this is in like an actual shade or color. This is in the shade Thankful. So they do have a really like balmy texture to them. This one has obviously color to it, which I really like. But yeah, I think that's really awesome. So this is the Dewy Lip Balm, and this is also the Dewy Lip Balm, but this is in clear. So I'm excited to add that to my collection. Obviously it just has like a nice little like glaze, almost like a lip gloss, but like a dewy lip balm like it says. So that is really, really exciting. So we're gonna go ahead and put that off to the side. I'm just gonna go ahead and take it out of the packaging because I hate keeping the unit carts. There's no point to keeping the unit carts if you really don't need to. So we're gonna go ahead and move on from that. Same thing with this one. I might as well get rid of the unit cart there, put that in the trash on the floor, so I already know what to do with it. Okay, moving on. We've also got this item by Iconic London. You guys know I love Iconic London, especially when it comes to like their original illuminator drops. Like those are just freaking so good. This is a sheer blush. Ooh, okay, so I also have a bronzer by Iconic London, but I've never tried their blushes, and I've actually seen them. You can get Iconic London inside of Sephora, which I didn't know that until recently. They used to actually, Iconic London used to be in Ulta, and then I have no idea why they severed their ties, why they don't sell them there anymore, but this is what it looks like. It's a really nice, pretty pink shade. It is very sheer kind of, so it looks like you'd have to build it up to really get some pigmentation, or maybe something you want to put on in the beginning and then layer up with a similar like shade in blush. But this is in the shade, I don't think did it have a shade? It says, oh, Rose Riot. So it's in the shade Rose Riot. So that's really pretty. Okay, love that. Love, love, love. So we're keeping that for sure. Alright, moving on. We have another item by the brand called By Terry, which is a hyaluronic hydro setting powder. I feel like I've heard of this brand before. Maybe not. I apologize. I haven't been putting prices. Normally I just put them on the screen so I can just look them up later instead of having to kind of flip through this whole entire thing trying to find the prices. But this By Terry, I feel like I've seen it before. I've heard of it before. Okay, yes, that says it's number 15. Oh, okay, yes, I have heard this brand before. So this one's worth $60. It is a setting powder. I do have a lot of setting powders in my collection, but you know, you can always use more because the ones I'm actually having in my vanity drawer right now at the moment are almost gone. But I'm curious about this one, because it is a more of like a white powder. And we all know the white powders can tend to have a cast. Can have that white cast, and no one wants to look like Flashback Mary. No one wants to have a James Charles moment to where, but I'm curious. Maybe I'll have to look at the reviews on this first to see, but I mean, Huda put this in here and curated it, so there has to be something as to why she likes it. So I'm just actually really curious. It says even though it's mattifying, there's nothing drying about this Cult Fave Hyaluronic Infused Powder. Okay, so it doesn't really say anything. Sometimes there's a quote underneath it from her, from the person that's curating the box, as to why they really love it. Like on the bottom it says like a Huda tip. So that's not on here, but it is what it is. We'll just keep moving on. And then we've got 2 more items left. So this item is Wishful. It's the Thirst Trap Juice. It's a serum. So Wishful is actually from Huda's brand. It's like her skincare brand. I've never tried anything yet from them. I have another item behind me that I got in another subscription. So I'm definitely going to keep this. But A+ for the packaging. Like, oh, look at that. It says like so iridescent. Like, oh, beautiful, 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 beautiful. And then the last item we got here is by Cover FX. It says it's the Gripping and Firming Primer. Is this the one that what's her name used to talk about all the time? I think this is the one that Allie Glines like loves because it's the Gripping Primer, or it was someone else that talked about this. And for a while this was like sold out in so many places. No, it was Tati. Tati's the one that talked about this one. She said this one was like super great and amazing. And I've wanted to try this one for the longest time. Thank you, Huda, for coming through. I'm glad this was a mystery box for me because I didn't choose it and these items chose me. So that is the best part of it all. So I'm definitely think I'm going to go ahead and add this clay mask to, it says exfoliating, deep cleansing, and reviving soft tones. Okay. I don't know. I'm unsure right now at the moment, guys. Unsure. Be right back. Alright, so that is everything that we got in the Glam Bag X box. I'm unsure what the actual price value is, but obviously I'll put it somewhere here on the screen so you guys can see, did we actually get our money's worth? I'm gonna be honest, I love that box. That box was great. Like I said, it was a surprise to me. Everything that I got, I'm pretty much was in love with. I'm only giving away 1 item out of that whole entire box, which is the PMD like facial scrub thingamabob. I will tell you, I love using it. I use it in the shower just because when I've got like the hot water running, it really opens up your pores. You put your cleanser on it and then you kind of just like smooth over your face. You can use the opposite side for like serums and stuff, but I've yet to actually really try that. It's just, that's not my thing. With serums, I kind of just go in with my hands and call it a day. There's no need to be extra on that aspect. But yeah, that was everything I got in the Glam Bag X box. What are your guys' thoughts? Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, especially if you want to be a part of any future giveaways. I do giveaways at least twice a month. Sometimes, well, 1 to twice a month. It just depends. I'm almost close to 600 subscribers, so once I hit 600 subscribers, I'll be doing another giveaway within that month. I think right now I'm at 571, so we're getting there. We're getting close. My goal for the end of the year obviously has not happened. I think it's more or less because I just haven't had time to consistently just keep posting like I was in the beginning, and I was just like hitting it hard and just posting a video almost every single day or every other day. So I'm trying my best, guys, but I've been working a lot. Hopefully this next coming month I kind of get back into a regular routine of being able to film, because like right now I'm filming at like 3 o'clock in the morning because it's the only time I've had, and I fell asleep on the couch earlier because I worked a really long day today and I just was extremely tired. So I appreciate you guys being here. So you know the gist. If you like videos like this, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget the notification bell down below so you don't miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!